Hi guys, welcome back to CiSuite. My name is Krystal, and as you can tell by the box here, I have an Erin Condren haul for you guys today. So I recently placed an order during their President's Day sale, and the box is so large it actually won't even fit in the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have everything taken out of the package, and as you can see, we have quite a bit to get through, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start off with this. So they had a promotion going on during the sale where if you purchased or if you spent, I think it was $49, you got a free planning pack, or you could have chosen the sticky note set. I chose the planning pack because I've never actually had one of their planning packs before. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what she looks like. Alright, so this is what our planning pack looks like. She is a dark gray color, and then it has this rose gold stripe design all over the front. And then on the back you have this elastic that you can actually wrap around your planner so you can carry it all together. And then when you open it up, in the inside you have one big pocket, and then there is this tag on the inside that says Erin Condren. So this is cute. I'm excited to use this. Like I said, I've never had one of these before, so I was really intrigued. Glad to finally have one to add to my collection. Alright, the next item that I'm going to open up is this pencil case. I've been eyeing this pencil case for a while and decided to go ahead and get it as part of the sale. So this is part of their collaboration with Hello Kitty. And so we have the kitty face right there. And then it is a gray, like suede material. And you open her up, and then in the inside it's white. Super cute. This does not, oh yes it does. This also has the elastic on the back so that you can wrap it around your planner. So I thought this was cute. Nice for on the go, just to throw a few pencils in or a few markers and take that with you. So I thought this was cute. And then the next thing I got was this, what do they call it? A valet tray. So I'm going to open this up and put it together really quick. Okay, so here we go. This is the small valet tray. I got this with the leopard print design in the inside, and then of course I put my initials down there at the bottom. I thought this was cute. I want this to go on my desk, and I can put my pens. Let's see if my pens fit in here. Yeah, they fit. So I thought this would just be cute to have on my desk to put some of my pens and things on. I also want to go back and get the large one to go over on my workspace, but I think this is super cute, and it was pretty easy to put together. You just snap the ends closed. So I like this. This is cute. And I also customized the colors. I don't remember which color this is. I want to say it's linen, but I'll put it on the screen just in case you want to get a similar color combination. Super cute. Alright, next I have some of these mini snap-in bookmarks. These are also part of the Hello Kitty and Erin Condren collab. I already actually have these, but I've used those and I need some more. So I just picked up a second set of these. So you get a purple one, a white one, and a pink one. And then they have gold foiling with the Hello Kitty faces, some bows, hearts, and this one has asterisks. So these are cute, very functional. Like I said, I use them every day in my notebook, and I needed a couple more, so I just got a second set of the Hello Kitty ones. Next, I have one of these snap-in bookmarks. These I actually use, or I also use in my notebooks for work. So I wanted to pick up another one. This one is in the Color Blends pattern. And on this side we have priorities and to do, and then on the back side we have a Monday through Sunday layout there. So super handy. I like to jot things down on these using their wet erase markers. I haven't had any issues with it rubbing off onto my paper. I know that's a concern some people have. I haven't had any issues with that, so just wanted to pick up another one of these to add to my work notebook. And then I also picked up a couple of covers. So I had a coupon for a free A5 cover that came when I purchased my Daily Duo. So I picked up this one for my A5. This is in the Etta V pattern, or one of the Etta V patterns. Super pretty. I really like this. And then it has the hollow foil on it. This is so pretty. Oh, I have this one upside down. Yep, so I love this one. And then I also picked up this one. Let's see. This one I believe is called Scorpio. This one is also a collaboration. I don't remember the artist's name, but if I can find it on the website, I'll put it up on the screen. This one is so cute. I really like this one. Like, it's a girl. She has her braids, looking cute. I like the colors. And then on the back is the same design. The inside we have lined on this side, and then on this side we have kind of like a checklist, and then some open spaces there. Cute. We like that one. And then the last one that I picked up is another collaboration. So we have this one here. This one's super cute. I think this one might be called Happy Leaves. So we have our girl here. She's chilling with the leaves around her. They are in gold foil, and then the back is the same design. And then the inside looks like the last one. So those are the covers that we picked out. Super cute. This one is for the A5, and then the other two are for the 7x9. And then the next thing I got are these color changing pens. I'm really excited to try these out. So these are pens where you write on them in one color, and then you erase part of it and it turns a different color, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to get a notebook out and we're going to swatch these together. So here are each of the colors. Something I will say is that you do want to let it dry for a few seconds before you go in with the eraser. I've noticed that that works a little bit better. But these are super cute. This is a nice fun way for you to add a little bit of color to your planner. So I really like these. I recommend them. I will say the neon yellow one is kind of hard to see. Maybe I should try that one again. Maybe I didn't write hard enough, I'm not sure, but that one's a little bit harder to see, but the other ones look really nice. Now we are getting down to the last few items that I purchased. So here we have a tote. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag because it's going to be really loud, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is the tote that I picked up. This says, "I walk in my purpose." This is a super cute tote. It's actually pretty nice quality. It's not super thin. I think this one is also a collaboration with the artist. I'll have to put the artist's name on the screen because I don't know what it is off the top of my head. But I really like this. I want to put this in my car for groceries. This would have come in handy today actually, but I really like this and I really love what it says on it too. So really nice. This is my first tote from Erin Condren, so highly recommend if you are looking to get one of these. And then the last thing I got was this. So I'm going to take this out as well, and then we'll come and look at it together. Okay, so the last thing I picked up was this clear stadium tote. I've been looking at this for quite a while and finally decided to pick it up. I will say it's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be, so that's nice. So it's clear. Like I said, you have this gold detailing around the outside with the Erin Condren asterisk there in the middle. And then when you unzip it, it's one big open compartment, and then you do have a pocket back here in the back. It's kind of stuck together because it's new, but there is a pocket right here. And then to go with that, I picked up this leopard print strap. It also has the gold detailing, so I thought it would look really nice. And then you just clip this on the sides here. And there you go. You have your stadium tote with the strap. This is super cute. I really like this. I'm excited to pack it, see how it fits inside of any of my other totes, if it will fit, because like I said, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this might just be a standalone item. So yes guys, this is everything that I picked up during Erin Condren's President's Day sale. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And until the next one, I'll talk to you later. Bye!
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.